How do we make sustainable aviation fuel? SAF is made from carbon dioxide captured from the atmosphere, either through technology-based solutions or CO2-absorbing materials known as feedstocks. A variety of processes is available to transform feedstock into aviation fuel. SAF can reduce CO2 emissions by up to 80% throughout its life cycle, compared to fossil fuels. Its production and transportation account for the remaining CO2 emissions. Let's look at 3 examples. Used cooking oil, UCO. Vegetable oil is made from seeds that capture CO2 while growing. Once used, the UCO can be collected and transformed into fuel. The oil is heated twice, once to filter it and second to add hydrogen. Once the final product has cooled, it is blended with regular jet fuel. Agricultural residue. CO2 can be extracted from these residues and waste to produce ethanol. After a reaction with renewable hydrogen, the ethanol is transformed into SAF, then blended with regular jet fuel. Carbon dioxide. CO2 is a feedstock too, because carbon in the atmosphere can also be used to make SAF. Carbon is collected using air capture technologies combined with renewable electricity and renewable hydrogen and converted into SAF. All these fuels are checked to ensure conformity with jet fuel specifications. Then, the SAF is ready to be blended with regular jet fuel for use. Find out more about our SAF journey at airbus.com.